everyone, this is Style with Shy, and I have got a collaboration from Fashion and Lifestyle. So they have sent me this cute little eyeshadow palette. These have, I'll show you after opening this. These have 9 beautiful shades and a cute small mirror over here. So for that you have to watch till end. I will show a quick makeup tutorial also. For that you have to. So about the product, I will tell this is a good pigmentation palette. If you're searching for a good pigmentation palette in low price, then you can definitely check out, because the branded ones like the Huda Beauty means they are the most pricey, means they are most costly palette in the world. So for our middle class makeup artists who wants to make up in the low budget, so you can definitely try this out because they are actually good. And one thing is a problem that they have sent me a broken one, means I have fixed it but it is coming out all over. I have pressed it but it is coming out. But yeah, the pigmentation is very good. I show you swatching this. It is so good. If you can see this, yeah, these are so pigment. In one swatch, this is so pigment. Then you got that if you take full means dropping it in the palette and then apply this, it feels so beautiful to apply it. And also these have so cute name. About the packaging, if I tell, then it is so cute packaging, and if you open, there is a small cute mirror which helps to apply your eyeshadow, because in the big mirror you can't see properly when you are applying any eyeshadow or any eye makeup. So this will help you a lot. And also these are cute names over here. I don't know if you can see this. No, my camera is not focusing. So anyway, but when you will buy this, you obviously tell me thank you for recommending. And I love the product. I very love the product. This is the first eyeshadow palette of mine that has so pigment. For the palette, the pigmentation is really very good. And yeah, I have received a review, but it's okay. It is not their fault. This is the delivery fault. They have told me that by the delivery agent they told दिया था, so that's why I think any heavy thing was in top of this, so that's why it has broken. Otherwise, no. They really send a good product, and also they are selling good products. This is the main thing, because many of the brands, means many of the Instagram stores are selling products but they are not good at all. So they are selling the good product, which is a brand. Isabel Color is a brand. I am again telling you, sorry for repeating, but you can try this. Now anyways, let's do a quick makeup and I show you how this is a palette. Before that, I will do a base. Anyway, so let's move on to our eye makeup. So eye makeup, so from shit, palette's color has fully gone down. Here is overall a mess, yeah. How will I? Anyway, if you can see this, sorry, I can't show you because this color will fall down again. This is so bad, means they are not fault for that. But yeah, if you get an exchange, means if you get a broken palette from their store, they will exchange in 2-3 days only. They will not take much time. They seriously, I am telling you, they will do this. And I am not, because my mother has told me not. Don't have to give, they do not have any fault. So what will you do if they are being sent? So it is okay if the broken palette, what I have tell you now is that you can try and you will fix it. So anyway, let's move on to our eye palette. So I'm taking this over here. Like, yeah, this brush, and I'm taking this rose. No, this is rose. Okay, the famous rose, this one. I'm trying it with my just little mirror. What is it? What is it? Yeah, here. So this is now. Anyway, sorry for that. Come on. If you're thinking I'm already applying this eyeshadow, no, I'm not applying the eyeshadow. My eyes are red over here, so that's why. Okay, so you can see this how the pigmentation is. I have just applied a little bit of it, and the pigment you can see this is means a lot. So anyway, sorry. I will take this small brush over here, and now I will take from this palette the Speed Money, this one. Okay, so let's apply this. Okay, so you can see this, the color is so pigmented now. For the middle, like I am not even a cut piece, but sort of that. So I'm taking this Juicy Fruit, means which shadow is the broken one. That one I am taking with my finger only. I will apply because the pigment is so is just falling now. Okay, so now I will blend this color with the light, a dark black shade, the big girl over here, this one. Okay, then the little dry brush only. Also, I am blending this with the flat brush. Okay, so now I am blend this, and in my lower lashes, means lower line, I will make I will smudge the shadow over here, the Baywatch, this one, the red. This in the brush it is so pigmented that okay, now I'm blending this with a small brush. Okay, now I'm blending this, and in my next eye I will do the same. Okay, so I have done this. Now I will quickly apply the lash and come back to you. Okay, so I have done with my blush highlighter, and the blush highlighter I have done with this palette only, this one. So yeah, and I have wear my earring, jewelry, all the things, and I have also wear the lashes, and this is my final look. In the comment box how is my look with this palette, and also definitely check out Fashion and Lifestyle. They are awesome. And yeah, for today that's it for yeah.